Just when the world thought the V8 era was slowing down, Ford slammed the throttle. While other brands shrink engines, chase hybrids, or soften performance, the 2026 F-150 just rolled out with a V8 upgrade so wild, it's already shaking the truck world. Ford didn't just tweak a few numbers. They rebuilt the heart of the F-150 with deeper strength, sharper response, and real mechanical muscle. 3 major upgrades, each one engineered for power, durability, and extreme towing punishment. And the craziest part? Ford never advertised the biggest change. But don't worry, and you're about to hear it. This is NextGen Wheels. And today we're digging into why the 2026 F-150 V8 feels less like an update and more like Ford unlocking beast mode. The channel that exposes the truth behind the machines we drive, the upgrades that matter, the engineering that counts, and the real-world changes most reviews never mention. If you love trucks that feel powerful, mechanical, and alive, you're in the right place. Now let's break down how Ford secretly rebuilt the 2026 V8 from the inside out. For decades, the F-150 hasn't dominated America's truck market because of fancy screens or flashy trims. It won because Ford kept improving the engine, the true soul of the truck. And for 2026, Ford engineers made a move almost nobody predicted. While most automakers chase smaller turbos and electric assists, Ford doubled down on what truck owners actually want. Real V8 rumble, mechanical durability, heavy load confidence, long-distance reliability. Inside sources revealed that the 2026 program focused on 3 critical goals. 1. Make the V8 stronger under extreme stress. 2. Improve power delivery without sacrificing MPG. 3. Bring back the classic Ford V8 character that owners miss. This isn't a refresh. It's a behavior change. How the engine breathes, how it responds, and how it survives thousands of miles of punishment. Upgrade number 1, reinforced 5.0L. Coyote, stronger, cooler, tougher. Ford didn't just tweak the current 5.0, they rebuilt it from the inside out. The 2026 F-150 gets what insiders call the Coyote Gen 6, a deeper, heavier-duty evolution of the engine everyone already trusts. This version focuses on real-world durability, not paper numbers. What Ford secretly reinforced: stronger forged connecting rods, new piston design with advanced thermal coatings, a stiffer engine block to reduce cylinder flex, upgraded valve train metals for high RPM wear resistance. Ford engineers revealed the real reason behind these changes. Owners kept pushing the V8 harder than expected. Higher RPMs, heavy towing, long uphill pulls, and big loads. So Ford didn't just fix weak spots. They built the new V8 to survive the punishment. What drivers feel: a stronger mid-range punch, cooler, more stable high RPM power, reduced stress under towing loads, better long-term reliability. One engineer described it best: "We didn't just strengthen the Coyote, we made it a long-distance engine." Upgrade number 2, smarter dual injection for faster, cleaner power. The second upgrade changes how the V8 delivers power. Ford didn't just improve fuel injection, they rebuilt the entire strategy. What's new? Higher flow direct injection pumps, faster response port injectors, new ECU maps with advanced adaptive learning. This solves a major engineering battle: big power versus strict emissions. Most automakers choose one. Ford decided to chase both. Real-world benefits: sharper throttle at low RPM, cleaner, more precise combustion, better highway MPG, more consistent power during towing. One engineer even said the new system reminds him of the legendary Boss 302 throttle response, and that's a bold comparison. This upgrade makes the 2026 V8 feel quicker, cleaner, and more alive than recent years. Upgrade number 3, a new airflow and exhaust system with real muscle. Now this is for the enthusiasts. Ford didn't just tune the 2026 F-150's V8 to sound better. They redesigned how the engine breathes from intake to tailpipe. What Ford updated: a higher flow cold air intake, larger dual throttle bodies on select trims, a tuned length exhaust manifold, reduced back pressure tailpipes, aggressive active valve exhaust tuning. These changes unlock a fatter horsepower curve, especially in the upper RPMs. It breathes cleaner, faster, and louder. The sound: recent V8s felt muted, like Ford was holding them back. But for 2026, Ford went for a classic, deeper rumble with modern control. New muffler geometry, titanium packing, and internal chambers create that unmistakable Ford V8 growl, without the annoying drone. One exhaust engineer even said, "We wanted the 2026 F-150 to sound like a real American V8, not a filtered version of it." For true truck fans, this is a major win. Why Ford refuses to let the V8 die? Here's the truth the industry doesn't like to admit. F-150 buyers still want V8s. Ford's internal data shows V8 owners tow more. V8 owners keep trucks longer. V8 owners report higher satisfaction. V8 buyers want sound, durability, and simplicity. While other brands chase small turbos, Ford is doubling down on the powertrain that made the F-150 a legend. The result? A 2026 V8 that's stronger, louder, cleaner, and more durable than any version before it. Final thoughts: a more dangerous F-150. The 2026 F-150 isn't just getting new parts. It's getting a new personality. Tougher internals, smarter fueling, stronger airflow, and that old-school Ford voice the fans have been begging for. This isn't the end of the V8 era. Ford just proved it's still alive and kicking. Thanks for watching NextGen Wheels, where we bring you the truth automakers won't tell you. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real truck analysis, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Tell me in the comments, did Ford make the right move by going bigger with the 2026 V8?